no, no. Y yo, oh, 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 yo te seguiré. Yeah. Y yo, oh, 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 nunca te dejaré. No, no, no. Y yo, oh, 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 no tengo por qué temer. Yeah. Y yo, oh, 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 en tu nombre venceré.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of mine. So I have not vlogged because I got both Bert and I got pretty sick the other day. I think it's been like 2 days, so I have some footage that I have not edited at all. Today is the Sunday, February 17th, and I have, I think, like 2 videos that need to be uploaded before this one. Yesterday we really didn't do much because I think yesterday was like the worst for Bert, because the day before that we went to the valley. We went to the pulga in the morning, and then we went to go get Grecia an outfit for the Pee-wee Goat show that you guys hopefully have already seen that she's gonna be in. We've had Chibi for about like a week and a half already, and so we had to go get her an outfit. I still need to buy her boots, so whenever I go get her boots, I'll probably vlog that or something. But so, and then after that, we went to a soccer game in Progreso, and the weather was just, like, it wasn't cold, but it was super humid and like misty, and we were sitting at the very top of the bleachers. It was super windy, like it was just ugly weather. And we left that game like at, I think it was like 9:30 was when we got out of the soccer game. I crashed out like right after we had dinner. After that, I passed out. We didn't get home till like 1 in the morning. And then that morning that we were taking off, Bert's throat was already hurting, and I think the cherry on top was just the weather that night. So the following morning, both of us woke up sick. Yesterday we didn't do much. We were just like at home relaxing. It was Saturday. And today I have to wash clothes. I'm washing clothes. Bert, we want to build Grecia like a little stand because I want to do a video with her. You guys know that she loves being in the kitchen with me, so I want to do like a super cute video for you guys. And then we're also going to show y'all how we make lunch today, so you guys will just have to stay tuned for what we're gonna make. We've never done it like that before, so it'll be something new, and hopefully you guys like it and can try it out also if you guys like it. And right now we came to Riverview, to the store, to buy some parsley because we need that for the recipe or whatever. Tiny, but they don't have any here, so we're probably gonna go to another store to go buy that. So we'll see you guys at home once we start making the food, because I think that's like what we're gonna do next. Just random dogs. Okay, so we're gonna get started on the mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna put them in the pressure cooker. So I'm gonna grab 3 large potatoes. I'm gonna rinse them, and I'll tell you guys in just a second what it is that I'm gonna be making for lunch. Grab this thing and just put it in there in the pressure cooker, and I'm going to stab the potato a couple times just on one side, just so that they cook a little bit faster through the inside. Okay, now we're gonna prepare the meat. Okay, I'm gonna do the glaze.
Or you do the meat while I do the glaze.
Okay. So, okay.
You just do the meat first, or the glaze, it don't matter.
So I need ketchup. Get me the ketchup. You're gonna need 3/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, but we didn't have any, so we used red pepper, and also 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, but we didn't find any, so we used regular mustard. Also, please excuse the way that I sound. I'm very sick, so that's pretty much it for the glaze. And now for the actual meatloaf, you're going to use cooking oil, 1 cup of onion diced, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, but I added 2 just because I used 2 pounds of beef instead of 1. So I'm going to double up everything. And then you're going to use some of this Leon Perrin's Worcester sauce. I don't know how to say it. It's 1 teaspoon. Half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Half a cup of breadcrumbs. 1 egg beaten. And 1/4 cup of milk. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the recipe for like 1 pound of meatloaf instead of 2 because I just doubled everything. But so that I won't confuse you guys, the recipe that I'm going to leave is just going to be for 1. So here what I'm doing is just you want to spray your pan with oil. And you want to use a ice cream scoop or like a tablespoon or whatever. And scoop them out into your cupcake pan, and then with your fingers you're going to make little cups because you're going to end up putting mashed potatoes inside there. I'll show you guys that here in a second. I'm so sorry for the way that I sound if you guys can't really understand what I'm saying. But this is what the cups should look like once you make like a little dent in the middle of them. So now we're going to make the mashed potatoes. He's peeling them. And then I'm going to take out the milk, the cheese, and the butter is already here. And we're going to make them. So for the mashed potato, I used 1 pound of potato, cooked and peeled, of course. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. And half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. But I didn't measure that just because I just used the rest of the cheese that we had left over. And 1 cup of milk. You just make it the way that you guys like your mashed potatoes. We don't like them super runny. We like them kind of thick. So make them to the consistency that you want. And then you're going to fill your little cupcake meatloafs or whatever you want to call them with mashed potatoes. And then once you're done, you're going to cover them up with the remaining beef or whatever. And then with the glaze that you made, you're going to put that over them and you're pretty much done. Set the timer for 25 minutes.
It smells super good. Better stop it. I'll have 2, please.
Cut one open so they can see it. Damn, that looks good. So this is what the food ended up looking like. This is called mashed potato meatloaf. What? Balls? Cups? Mashed potato meatloaf cups or something like that. I'll leave the recipe linked down below in the description box. Bert says they're super good. I have not tasted them yet, but they just have mashed potato inside it. And yeah, I made some mac and cheese on the side. So we're gonna eat lunch and then we'll see what we do next. So here, I had been telling Bert for the past maybe 2 weeks or so if he could build Grecia a little like stand for her to obviously stand up on in the kitchen. So he actually did this like an hour before he had to go to work. So it was somewhat rushed. So it's not perfect, but it's perfect for her. And it definitely holds his weight because at the end, I think I showed where he stands up on it and he even jumped on it. So it's going to be safe enough for her to stand up next to me. Oh my gosh, my voice. My throat hurts so bad. please excuse me, but if I don't do this, like, you guys won't understand what this is. I don't think. So, this is pretty much a stand. I'm going to paint it white. He also did not, like, follow a blueprint or nothing. It's just, he kind of figured out in his head how he was going to do it and started chopping up wood. And so, that's what he got. You guys know Bert is the pretty handyman. So, yeah, this is just the idea that he came up with, and he made it happen. And I really liked it. She loves it. I think I'm going to vlog tomorrow depending on how I feel. And if I do, I will show you guys how I'm going to paint it white and stuff and how she uses it. Because like I said at the beginning, I do want to make a video with her. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what kind of video it's going to be. But I'm super excited to show you guys more cooking videos because I know you guys really like those, and I'm just so happy that, you know, she can be a part of it and help me out as well. Guys, the camera's about to die, so I'll show you what it looks like from a little clip off my phone once he's done with it.
Hot!
Yeah.
Come on over here.
Where's the Chiva? Hey, Chivi.
What?
Good job. You like it?
Mommy,
Yeah?
I like it.
Tell Daddy thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Besito. That was a big one.
Okay, now get down. Show me you can get down.
Other way, backwards.
The other way.
Backwards, backwards, like that.
Good job. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.